Hi, this is Greg Bridges with Trading Pips. So today we're going to be talking about the US dollar and Switzerland franc. Today is Saturday, so it's a non-trading day. Trading ended on Friday. So at this present moment, we're looking at ticker symbols, which is the US dollar and Switzerland franc. We are in the daily chart. As you can tell, boom, daily chart. This is Forex.com. This is my Forex.com chart. And we'll go over what I have set for support and resistance areas and what I have set for my current trade that I'm in. So in the daily chart, we could tell that that the Switzerland franc and US dollar, the US dollar Switzerland franc, was actually up to the 1.00963 area. That's probably the highest that it actually went to according to this particular chart, right? If you go back in time, you could tell that it actually went a tad higher. It went up to the 101 277 area. So this was back in let's say the November 13th time frame, 2018, right? So this year so far, the high is, like I said, maybe 100,983 area, and we were able to get in on this trade at a 12-cent position at 1.00320, and we're getting out of this position at 99365. Now you see this wick right here from this candle on the 28th. You would think, okay, Greg, why didn't you get out this position and take your profit? Well, originally I did not have my take profit set at that point. My take profit was actually set where this green line is, or the 99148 level. So when this wick came down, it came down to right there, which is maybe the 99275 range. So it did not go down further enough to take me out the trade. So what I did was adjusted my take profit to take off about 25% of that wick, which adjusted my profit to 95.5 pips, or $114.69. My position is from 101.00320 down to 365, which is 95.5 pips, which will give me $114 and some change. So right here, you'll see that it's a red marker, 99855. This is the current position, or 99855 in green is the current position of the market when it stopped on Saturday. So what I did was I drew a resistance line. This red line, as you can tell, it popped back up. Resistance line. Why? Because if you look over here, you have the body of the candles from past positions where you have a few wicks that popped up, but it stopped at that area. Then you go back in time, you have the same thing happening, a few wicks. And the same thing, body of the candle stop, a few wicks go above it. But it tended to respect that resistance line before going down, going a little bit past the support, but then going back up to the resistance and dropping down. It obviously went through the support this time and went all the way down, right? But for the most part, you even look right here, it went up, it stopped at the resistance area, it went down to the support before traveling up and going through the resistance and going right around the area where I took my my range at for my sell before going up. I wish I could have got it around this range, but unfortunately I couldn't, or I didn't. But I did catch it right here as it was going down, and it is my belief that it is going to travel down at some point to where this resistance area is, or the support area is. But right now we're going to try to take our profit right here. So we want to make sure, because we're so close to it right now. So we do not believe that it's going to reverse and go all the way back up here. But if it did, once again, I would definitely get in on this position. And with Forex.com is a bit different. You can't really set up a second position and have two trades going at the same time. If, like, say you were doing lesser the amount, because it would adjust your position or whatever. But you can buy something up here and it'll adjust your position and put you somewhere in the middle. So if I bought up here, it will adjust it and like even it out. So it'll put me at 1.00617 or something like that. But anyway, you see where I'm in at, and so you see where I believe that you guys could possibly get in for a sell or buy. So if you want to just make a few pips on the buy in, you could buy at the current position, which is at 99855. And if I were you, I wouldn't go past the 9996 range, or not even past the 1.0050 range. I honestly wouldn't go past that for a buy. But for a sell, you obviously know that you can get in for the current position, or you can let it go up a little bit around that range, and you can hit it for a sell and just watch it stroll down. If you want to hold on to it hit the 99725 range, you could, or you can let it scroll down all the way down to where I'm getting out at, which is the 99365, or hope that it hits the support line, which is at 99148. Either way, any one of those areas for sale, you're gonna make some money. I would not try the buy to buy at this level, but that's my personal stance. Other people may feel differently. My personal stance would be to continue on with my sell position and to get out of the 99365 range for a safe extraction of my money. But anyway, this is Greg Bridges with Trading Pips, and I hope that I've helped you out a little bit, and that I can help you make a few dollars with this particular signal that I've provided with the US dollar and Switzerland franc. You guys have a great morning. I'm going to continue to drink my Sencha drinking water, and I'm going to have me a cup of coffee and pop some red wine a little bit later on today. You guys have a great day. Enjoy. Bye.